So the next thing here I want to go to is 5:11. I forgot to do that. 5:11.
A quick question on notation. We've got 5A11.
Yeah, A means ayah.
Oh, verse.
Because, yeah,
Okay.
I think ayah is a better word than to say verse. Verse relates to the translation of the Bible, King James Version, whereas the ayah literally means a sign in Arabic, a sign, which is a very interesting word. The idea of that we're dealing with a symbol.
What is surah?
Surah means, in the Arabic language, it relates to like a gate or something around a city. And the idea is that a surah is it's a series of signs or meanings they're contained within a limited number. So there you see oh, I'm sorry, 5111. It's 5111. What's that? The J, where's that?
On the center of the page.
Okay, good. That's juz, which is the 6th part. So there's 30 parts to the Quran. And juz is Arabic for 1/30 of the Quran. Juz means a part. So the 6th part means this is the 6th, beginning with the first 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. And the last part would be the 30th. So there are 30 parts of the Quran. We're in the 6th part. Yeah.
You give a page number?
Yeah, page number is 325. So there it says on the top of the page, verse 111, and behold, I inspired to the disciples to have faith in me and my messenger. And they said, we have faith and to you bear witness that we bow to Allah as Muslims. Now the disciples there are the Hawariyin, or the disciples of Jesus. So again, here's the idea. We had the idea that Isaac, who is the father of the Jewish tradition, we have the idea that Jesus, the prophet or the savior of the Christian tradition, according to the Christians, they're saying we're Muslims. So this is, I think, really important to see that, from just to understand how the Muslims view the matter. They really do view the matter that Islam is an unbroken chain. It's not something new. And the Prophet Muhammad did not see himself as bringing a new religion. He really saw himself as a renewer of an ancient tradition. All right? Now, once you've seen those, what we're attempting to do in this 2-week period is understand Islam from the perspective of the religion of those who believe in the Prophet Muhammad and his tradition. Not so much, we're not here to study comparative religion. I'm not here to teach you about your own traditions or anything like that. But just as a starting point, I think it's important to recognize that that is definitely part of the Muslim worldview. That Christianity, it was in Islam. Judaism was in Islam. And there were many Islams that we don't know about and don't name because the Quran does not mention them. It talks about other traditions simply, and it does not mention them by name. But like Dr. Shafia mentioned the other day, there is a tradition from the Prophet Muhammad that there have been 124,000 prophets. There have been 313 or 14 messengers. There have been over 100 books that have come down. And all we're told about is 4 books, and then the tablets of Abraham and Moses. So there are many things that we don't know about traditions. And this is why the Muslims traditionally have tended not to say we don't believe, like I mean, I would say that Hinduism, even though from a Muslim point of view there are many things in it that are very problematic, still I would hesitate to say that it wasn't a prophetic tradition, personally. Because it's a very ancient tradition, and from a Muslim point of view, the previous traditions have been distorted. That is the Muslim worldview.